Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheet. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe howXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop, I just opened Google Sheet, so I have the admission status details. So now I would like to create a drop-down list to update in my Google Sheet. So I've created some data. So this is my data, name, number, admission, and status is there. So status should be in a different kind of different people has a different kind of status. So whether they have admitted or on call or interview or paid fees or on hold, it is according to my decisions. So what they did, so I have to update. So how to make entire sheet into a data validity, that is drop down list. What I have to do here, so you need to create a drop down in the status. So while I select what are the status, I can make it. So first and foremost, which area you want to make as a drop down list, just choose that area. For example, I just have the name, and name list will be there, admission number is there, status should have a different kind of drop down list, should be update. So select the particular area, and on top you will find a menu bar. Just go to data. So once you go to data, there is a data validation. Choose a data validation menu. So once you select the data validation, there will be a cell range I have selected already. So this is the cell range which I selected, and criteria should be in a list of items or list of range. Choose a list of items. Once you choose the list of item, you need to type a list of items. For example, you have to make this admission status, that is status should be in, for example, I just type here admitted comma. So you have to give the comma option so that it will be in like a separate drop down list. So I have already typed, I just want to copy and paste over here. So I have typed, so admitted comma means that is one of the drop down, on call is one of the drop down, interview is one drop down, and fees paid is one drop down, on hold is one drop down. If you want to add more, just select and rejected or something else, you can make it reject. So you can make it according to your needs and save. Just click save. So once you give the items and click save option, automatically you will get a drop down buttons, that icons will be there in your Google Sheet. So if I choose the addict name is admission, and whether he has admitted, on call, interview, fees paid, on or rejected, you can give. For example, I just click here for on call, means on call will be added here. So for Andrew, I can choose interview. For example, Joseph, I can choose fees paid, and I can choose according to my need, and I can have access to create a database, so to create a different kind of menu option. So this is the easiest way you can add more menus over there to create a drop-down list. For a drop-down list means you can create like a pricing, selling model, or any other model. You can create a sheet and you can create a drop-down option. If you like this tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my howXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.